Hello and welcome. This is how to install NFS Server on Windows 10. Do not confuse NFS on programs and features to NFS Server. It is only client for NFS. Let's install NFS Server to Windows 10. Look from GitHub win NFSD. This support NFS version 3. Download X file. Copy X to some usable folder. Or make a new one. Also I make a new folder sharing. After that open PowerShell or CMD for starting NFS Server. WinNFSD give help by running it without parameters. Give parameters for share path and share name. Open firewall port for server. OK, now NFS Server is ready for testing. Let's test it from Ubuntu client. Seems to work.